Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the minimum. Install Copilot and authenticate, then open the file you will work in. Explain intent with a clear one-line comment or function signature so Copilot has context. Once done, accept or cycle through the first few suggestions to teach its style. Make sure to set language mode and linting so suggestions match your rules. This avoids wasted edits. You'll see better proposals quickly when the editor, repo, and intent align. You now shape Copilot by providing examples, edge case comments, and clearer prompts. Specific context yields focused code. As you accept suggestions, edit them immediately to nudge style and correctness, and request alternatives when output drifts. Once changes compile, run unit tests and linters to catch logic or style mismatches early. Make sure to commit incremental snapshots so you can revert. This iterative loop teaches you how to push Copilot toward reliable, maintainable code faster. You finish by hardening the accepted code. Refactor for clarity, expand tests, and document intent so future Copilot runs remain consistent. Then run security scans and dependency checks, followed by CI and a manual code review before merging. If something breaks, isolate the failing snippet and recreate it in a minimal file to reproduce the issue. Reduce the prompt complexity, or disable Copilot temporarily to confirm the root cause. One troubleshooting tip: rerun suggestions after simplifying context to narrow failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.